Hi everyone, this is Steve from OpenBOM, and this is the December 2018 What's New for SolidWorks OpenBOM add-in. So OpenBOM for SolidWorks. I've got SolidWorks 2018 running with my skateboard design, and I'd like to take you through some new features, specifically two really nice new features that are in this release. And both of them are accessible through the settings configuration dialog of OpenBOM. The first is a new cloud storage option to connect to your Autodesk A360. So if you are using that storage, there's a separate video on how to sign in or create accounts if you need to, but you'll just simply need to authorize that, that storage through the settings. And then you'll be able to choose a new option, which is very cool, which is to send PDFs of our SolidWorks drawings that are associated with this model to your cloud storage. So let me demonstrate that for you. I'm going to demonstrate it in real time. We're going to take a little bit longer maybe than usual for this video, but I'd like to show you exactly what's going on. So let's get started. I've gone through my settings. I'm going to update my bill of material. And while this is running, I'd like to introduce you to another feature that some of you might be using called the OpenBOM Monitor. And the OpenBOM Monitor is something that you kind of key into your search field on Windows Box and start it up. And it'll give you some information, some statistics and information about what's going on, especially if you're storing data to the cloud. So we'll get a sense of, or to cloud storage, we'll get a kind of sense of what's going on. We're going to come back to that in just a second. So what you can see what's going on in SolidWorks is that there's some new graphics being presented where we're visiting each drawing and creating a PDF, and we'll be sending that PDF up to your preferred cloud storage, which in this case is A360. And then after some additional processing through the magic of the cloud, we will see a column in our bill of material that has a link to those drawings. OpenBOM uses the accepted method of determining which drawings go with which SolidWorks model. I think the documentation for that is available in SolidWorks. And essentially what we're doing is we're looking in the current directory for things that have the same name, and we're not doing anything any different. As a matter of fact, SolidWorks is providing that for us. So we will give this a second to complete. And as you can see, we're kind of visiting each one of the sub-assemblies, grabbing the parts as usual, and then sending the data up to the cloud. I like to use a skateboard for a number of reasons. It has some sub-assemblies that have duplicate parts and other things that make it a nice test for our bill of materials. So while this is opening, I'm going to go back, I'm going to return back to our OpenBOM monitor, and we can get a sense of what's going on. We can see that while our bill of material has already been built, we have a new column here, which is sort of interesting, called the drawing file in the particular storage. So if I would have used Dropbox or something else, I would see drawing file in Dropbox. And the other the CAD PDFs as well as the other 2D PDFs will slowly start coming in here, and we'll be able to see those update. This is the time where you may want to occasionally refresh your bill of material. You can also, once it's filled in, we can click on the drawing, and we're going to jump over to our A360 storage. We're going to see that we have our drawing stored in there, and with a click we can see this is the drawing for the board. So that is the new feature to bring our drawings into our cloud storage, drawings of our SolidWorks drawings, and then link them into our bill of material. And again, through the magic of the cloud, all this processing is happening in the background, and we'll see that this will gradually fill out. So, in my case, I chose every possible option, which was to upload the CAD model, upload a 2D PDF of the CAD model, and then also upload the drawing of the CAD model. So those are all those settings are available through the OpenBOM settings dialog in SolidWorks. There's more information online. If you need help, you can always reach out to support@openbom.com. Bye-bye.